Hello and welcome to our video on how to work the button placket and the hem of our 6510 skyline blouse. Before working the side seam, finish off the side edges with a twice rolled hem stitch. For this, you are folding the seam allowance twice and sewing over this edge with a straight stitch. As this blouse has a slit at the bottom, this is the easiest way to work. Then we are closing the side seams and sleeve seams of our blouse in one step. Make sure to omit the slit at the bottom hem, which starts at notch 2 in your sewing pattern. Iron the seam allowances apart. This is the sleeve and what that looks like now. Also iron apart the seam allowances here. Mark the hem allowance on your lower hem part. Fold up that hem and iron. Now unfold and fold about 1 centimeter of the bottom edge up as well. Iron well. Now placing the right sides together, sew along the outer edge of this hem, while still folding the 1 centimeter in at the slit edge. Now at your front edge, you'll work a bit differently. Unfold your whole edge. Now place the right sides together. However, when sewing this edge, do not fold the 1 centimeter down, but omit this allowance entirely when sewing. Only sew along this green marked line. Turn your lower hem right side out and form all the corners. At the front edge, fold in that 1 centimeter allowance and iron well. You finish all the edges by top stitching along your button placket, the lower hem all along to the slit. Now comes the back hem. Fold the hem allowance and the 1 centimeter double allowance in and iron. Now work the back hem the same way by placing right sides together and sewing the side edges closed with the 1 centimeter enclosed in the seam. Turn inside out and form out the corners, top stitch close to the edge.